Hello, hello YouTube. Today we're going to continue the French class. Now we're going to go straight into learning numbers in French, okay? So I hope you liked it. We're going to go straight away. No beating around the bush today.
Salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. It's a pleasure to teach you today, as always. Today the lesson is dedicated to complete beginners.
Like me, because I'm a complete beginner, of course.
And believe it or not, I got my numbers right, and it's indeed 10 sentences with numbers from 1 to 10 that I invite you to listen and repeat after
10
me.
sentences from 1 to 10. Let's go.
Start.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Il y a un
Il y a un
cinéma
cinéma
et une
une
pharmacie
pharmacie
à côté
à côté
de chez moi.
de chez moi. So there's a cinema and a pharmacy next door to me. Next door to me. Okay.
Tu as 2 bras,
Tu as des bras,
2 jambes,
2 jambes,
2 yeux,
2 yeux,
2 oreilles,
2 oreilles,
etc.
etc.
Je compte jusqu'à 3
Je compte jusqu'à 3
et tu sautes dans la
et tu sautes
piscine.
de la piscine.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Plouf.
My god, that's fucking hard.
He did it.
Hold up.
Plouf.
I'll count to 3 and you jump in the pool. 1, 2, 3, splash. Okay, got it.
He did it. Un carré
Un carré
à 4
à 4
côtés
côtés
perpendiculaires.
perpendiculaires. Oh my
That's
god.
perpendiculaire. Et de la même longueur.
De la même longueur.
On a 5 doigts
On a 5 doigts
à chaque main.
à chaque main. À chaque main.
Ou encore,
We have what?
à
We
chaque
have 5 fingers on each hand. Okay.
On a 5 doigts
On a 5 doigts
à chaque main.
à chaque main. À chaque main.
Ou encore, il aura 5 ans
Il aura 5 ans
le mois prochain.
le mois prochain. Prochain. My god.
60.
60? What?
Ça s'écrit
Ça s'écrit
avec un 6
avec un 6
et un 0.
et un 0. 0. 0. 60, it's spelled with a 6 and a 0, okay?
Il y a 7 jours dans la
Il y a 7 jours
semaine.
de la
Tu les
semaine.
connais?
Tu les connais?
La
What?
Yes.
What does even that mean? There are 7 days in a week. Do you know what they are?
7
Let me try
jours dans la
going
semaine.
again.
Tu les... Il y a 7 jours
Il y a 7 jours
dans la semaine.
dans la semaine.
Tu les connais?
Tu les connais? Tu les connais?
La pieuvre
La pieuvre,
ou le poulpe
le poulpe
est un animal
est un animal extrêmement
intelligent.
intelligent.
Le poulpe
Le poulpe
possède
8
tentacules.
tentacules.
Ou encore,
Encore,
il a 8 bras.
8 bras. My god, dude, I had no idea what that was. The octopus is an extremely intelligent animal. The octopus has 8 tentacles or 8 arms. Okay.
Encore, il a 8 bras.
Il a 8 bras.
Il y a 9
Il y a 9
sur la table.
Whoa, hold up, that's too much.
Il y a 9
Il y a 9
œufs sur la table
œufs sur la table
dans un panier neuf.
dans un panier neuf. There are 9 eggs on the table in a new basket.
Il y a 9 œufs
Il y a 9 œufs
sur la table
sur la
dans
table
un panier neuf.
dans un panier neuf.
J'ai 2 oreilles,
J'ai 12 oreilles,
mais j'ai 10 orteils.
mais j'ai 10 orteils.
That's all for today. Do not hesitate to listen and listen again, repeat and repeat again.
Oh yes, I gotta repeat it 1,000 times. So yeah, guys, that was the the class for today, the numbers. So if you do enjoy these classes and watching it with me and trying to learn with me, please consider subscribing, hitting the subscribe button, because you're going to be helping me so much developing this project. Because what I really want to do with this channel here is I want to really become fluent at a language, not just one language, but multiple languages, French, German. So if you do hit up subscribe button, if you do like, or if you do share, you're going to be helping the project, and we can evolve over time and build up a community. Because the idea here is build up a community of people who are trying to learn multiple languages, and people who are very serious about it, who are very dedicated and want to learn what are their limits, pretty much. Like what I'm doing here with this YouTube is that I'm trying to really test out my limits and see how far I can take, how long is it going to take for me to learn it, and get to know people who are on the same vibe, vibing in the same way, and trying to get to know and figure out and realize other languages so they can speak fluently and improve and get to know other cultures and stuff like that, and so on. So yeah, if you like this type of content, please, like I said, subscribe. Other than that, just keep watching the videos. We're going to be coming up with daily content, if not daily content, at least weekly content. And I'll try to do everything I can to make us learn and make it fun for us, not boring. Okay, so we can at least have some fun whilst we're training and learning another language and improving as human beings. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.